Poll shows big problem for Trump's trade deal. So, there's a recent poll indicating that a lot of people in both the US and the UK support a trade deal, but there's a catch, right?
Yes, that's correct. The poll shows that less than one-third of people in the UK trust Trump to uphold the deal.
That's a significant concern. And what about the Americans? How do they feel?
Interestingly, only 44% of Americans believe Trump would abide by the agreement, which raises questions about his credibility.
Right, and nearly half of Americans think his unpredictability is the biggest barrier to negotiations, including some of his own voters.
Exactly. This unpredictability has eroded trust and could push allies toward rivals like China.
Speaking of China, a plurality of British adults believe they would be a more reliable trading partner than the US. What does that say?
It suggests a shifting perception. Many young UK adults see China as a more stable partner, which could have long-term implications.
That's a stark contrast to the historical relationship between the US and UK. How does this affect the trade deal?
Well, even though the UK deal is relatively easy to broker, the lack of trust complicates negotiations in future partnerships.
It seems like the specifics of the deal matter less to Americans as long as there are no new tariffs.
True, but the overall sentiment about Trump's approach to tariffs could damage the US image both domestically and internationally.
Please click the button below to watch the full video.